Welcome back, Social 20-1. This is lesson 15. The introduction to the lesson here is not going to take long at all. There's one outcome: explore articles and poetry to uncover the controversy surrounding how to respond to aggression. And there is an assignment to put into your notebook. Note in your notes, you should combine the ideas of these passages and create a 250-word response. So that's a page. The questions at the end of each passage are just there to serve as guides to the reading, and you are not required to submit those. And the overall arching theme here is, how should we respond to aggression? And to help you out with that, there's a political cartoon from 1939 about how the Americans turned their back on a Jewish refugee ship, sending them back to Europe, where many would be imprisoned and killed during the Holocaust. So we have some poetry here about our responsibility to others. So yes, read through it and see if there's some content within it that really jumps to your attention. To help you with the poetry, we have some connection questions. You can always look at the questions before you read the poetry to help you understand, what is it that I could be looking for. Responsibility to assist citizens of other nations is also the topic of the second piece here. And again, much like the first piece, there's some connection questions you could look at to give yourself some kind of focus. And there's several of these documents here. And the overarching theme is, how do we respond to aggression? What is our responsibility to citizens outside our border that might be struggling in times of crisis? Where does our responsibility to others that are suffering end? So lots of great things here for you to read through, and a lot of prompting questions for you to look at. But in the end, what I want to see from you is some kind of summary of how we should respond to aggression in light of the content of those passages.